Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Gonzalo Guedes battles to win it back. A real chance to break. Raul, good run. Where to from here? And it's played forward. Dangerous looking ball, and it's come to nothing. And it's Raul, dashing forward at pace. And through to the goalkeeper. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
West Ham seem to have chosen a tougher route through the middle. That was easily read and dealt with.
That intervention was very necessary. Emerson hoists it forward. Could move up a gear here. Raul. Shot at goal! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, as test goalkeeper, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Lanzini. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Lanzini cuts a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get away.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
Now, can he capitalise? Ruben Neves. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. Reflections on the first half?
Unspectacular, but solid, and that solidity could yet be the foundation for them to go on and win.
After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change, perhaps, after half-time. And we're already back underway here. So, deadlock still as the second half begins. Timely intervention. Hervé goes looking, tries to get it clear. Someone looks like he's in need of protection here.
And look, they're clearly very keen to prevent him from taking the physical higher ground. They're fighting fire with fire.
Rice. Lanzini goes for goal! That's a half-decent try.
His reputation is better than what we've just seen.
Tries to get it forward quickly. And it's Raul. Hervé has come steaming up from the back for this. He's through the middle. Good ball, it's found its target. He gets past his man. Looking for a decent ball in. Gets up to head it! He will be livid with himself. some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, with the introduction of such a tall lad now, we may well see...
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Zuma gets into the right position to intercept.
They're making life really hard for themselves. The ball needs to be in the mixer, not there.
Final seconds, this has to be it. Has a pop! Big relief, it just needed better contact. There's going to be another change here.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Zuma.